Yo guys, there's some duckies over here. I'm over here fishing, as I already said in my other video. Look at the goose goose. Look at that beauty. So pretty. I'm gonna go over there and try to... I'm just gonna walk towards it. Also, any fishing friends, please don't get mad at me. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not trying to harm the duck, I'm just walking towards it. Trying to make it my friend. Come here, little ducky. I got crumbs. Yeah, I got crumbs. I got crumbs. Yeah, I got crumbs. I got crumbs. I got crumbs. I got 2 pounds. Back, no. 2. Okay. So, oh, there it goes. Yeah. Look what I just found. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Bunch of dead fish. Bunch of fish bones and other nasty stuff. And look at this. Came out of the fish. Probably they will want it. Look at my hands, they're natty. That's why I got a shirt. There ain't really any paper towels. And let me tell you all about what we got around here. Got the cam and stuff, got all the fishing stuff, got a porta potty and washing your hands, like cleaning, like a sink over there. Got a bunch of snacks. I got a energy drink to get me through today, cause I stayed up all day and all night. We got here at like 3, so yeah. When I get there, I'm gonna get my prime energy. Then I'll just sit there and eat. But yeah, I'll update y'all when I'm there, which is gonna take a minute.